How to fix Dayforce Wallet application is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the Dayforce application, first and foremost, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes the issue could be network related, so you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to confirm if it's network related issue or not. After that, you can simply relaunch the application and see if the issue persists. If it does, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for the Dayforce app. Make sure to tap on update button if it's available. This way, all the temporary glitches and bugs should be fixed. However, if it's not the case, make sure to close all the background applications and then relaunch the app. Before doing so, make sure to restart the device as well. Sometimes the issue could also be because of the VPN and proxy. So in that case, you can turn it off. To find the services, you can go to settings of your device and search for it on the search bar. This way, you should be able to turn off any such applications or options. After this, your issue should probably be fixed. If it's not, reinstall the app once. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.